A lot of times there was a huge disconnect from what the world perceived as beautiful, and what I saw every single day.
I was surrounded by a lot of people who looked nothing like me. I always felt like the other, and that's where it all began.
Starting was the most difficult part.
A lot of the investors didn't understand the community I was trying to serve.
People are asking me to do this, and if I can be a service to them, why not?
I said, let me do this crazy thing.
You know, if it failed, then it failed.
But I also felt like I had a responsibility.
And when I finally connected the dots, I couldn't have felt more whole.
Ready to go.
I was all about breaking rules.
That's part of the whole journey. I'm gonna pull back the curtain.
Go over products, logos,
We went sample by sample by sample.
all the fun stuff.
I was all in.
The goal was to give people their confidence back, and that's why I made this.